Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping and loading the brush correctly because the first strokes set the finish. Once the surface is clean and primed, thin paint slightly for better leveling. That reduces brush drag and visible strokes. Make sure to choose a quality, appropriate bristle brush and dip just 1/3 to 1/2 of the bristles, tapping the handle to remove drips rather than wiping. This preserves paint balance and prevents heavy buildup that causes marks later on. Once loaded, apply thin, even strokes across a small working area to keep a wet edge and allow the paint to level. You should work 2 to 3 foot sections, overlapping each pass slightly. This prevents lap marks and blends brush texture. Make long, continuous strokes and finish each section with light, directionally consistent feathering moves. Make sure to reload the brush often so you never drag a dry brush across semi-dry paint, which is the main cause of brush. Once the area is covered, blend by back brushing or applying a light crosspass while the paint is still wet to eliminate raised bristle lines. Give paint proper flash time, then sand between coats with 220 to 320 grit and remove dust with a tack cloth to achieve a glassy surface. If you see brush marks after drying, act quickly. Either recoat before it fully cures for blending or sand and spot prime the blemish. Then apply the final thin coat to hide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.